What's up everybody? Well, in this tutorial I'm going to talk to you guys about three new keywords, and they are and, or, and one more, not. Okay, we will see three new keywords and I will create new table. This table will be much more complex than before, than others, and we will see using this and, or, and not operator. So guys, let's get started. First of all, I want to create new table, but not just writing here like this, create table and give name or etc, because I just want to make this quick. Okay guys, for showing you, make this quick, but like I said before, we always use SQL for creating table, not always use this time of stuff, because I want to create this table using this create command, because this table will be complex than before, and that is why I want you to see all the process. Let's just remove this. I will give name to this table a company. Okay, and let's write our columns. I will say one ID. ID will be primary key. Let's click primary key and auto increment. I will write name. At this time, I will not use surname. I will just use here. Let's write birth date, or let's just write age for now. I will say age, or we can write birth date, birth underscore date. Okay, and let's write one more. I will just click this to see all the columns correctly. I will say after birth date, age. Okay, and let's write one more. I will write. Okay guys, this is my ID, name, birth date, age, and department. And we can write one more and we can say country. Okay, I wrote here actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, and they are ID, name, birth date, age, department, and country. Let's see data types of these columns. For example, data type of name is varchar. We always see this, but I will not use this for the 5. I will just tell 10. 10 is the way I want to go. But birth date, I don't want to write birthday, for example, like this. January, let's write January 1999, and let's write November, okay, and 9. For example, I don't want to write my birth date like this. We will use the data type that which is used for the getting date. I will click here and I will try to get this date time. You can see here I have a date time. I will just click this, and this is my date time. Let's just click apply, apply, and finish. But I think we have one more, because I said age equal varchar. I will change this varchar to integer. Department and country can be varchar. Department, let's change this department to 15, and also country to 15. Okay guys, let's click apply, apply, and finish. This is my table. Let's come here. Let's just click refresh all, and you can see my component table is created here. Let's click here, and you can see these are my columns: ID, name, birth date, age, department, and country. Let's try to fill it. Guys, I don't want to stop this video here. If you want, you can choose, you can pass video here, because I will just make this filling. If it is boring for you, you can pass this. I will write 1, name, I will write Jack, birth date, let's write. Okay guys, writing birth date, we have rule. When we talked about our data types, we said we should write year, hyphen, and month, and hyphen day. Okay, we should write our birth date like this. So I will say birth date 1990, hyphen, as a month I will write November, okay, and one more hyphen, and I will write, for example, 10. Okay, let's write age. We can write, we can get this age from the year, or I will write the basic age here. I will say 60. Department, I will write biology. And as a country, I will say UK. Okay, and second, I will write here Jim. And let's write birth date. I will copy this. I will just change months here. I will copy and paste here. I will write August. And actually it is September. I wrote here September 10. And age, let's write 45. I will say chemistry. And country, let's write USA. One more, Mary. I will say Mary. And January 1, let's write January 1. Age, I will say 34. And department is, let's write marketing, but not all. As a country, I want to write here, for example, Turkey. I will just write Turkey. Let's write one more. I will write new name and birth date here, but you can see I don't write IDs because I said that I will get these IDs by auto increment. Okay, let's write new name, Tony, but not all upper, Tony, and like this. Let's write here 1999. I will write. Let's write biology, and as a country I will just write India. And I want to change this birth date here because all years is the equal. I just want to make this, for example, 19 and 85. Let's change this to 85. And I will say 1995. Okay, like this. So guys, let's write one more. I will write here new name, and you can see still I don't write IDs here. I will say Tom. I will write this as a age. Let's write like this, or 72. And as a department, what we can write, let's write engineering, and country, I will say Japan. Let's add one more. Tier and 19, example 49 hyphen September and 50. Okay, age I will write 85, and as a department I will just write marketing. Okay, and let's write country here. Let's write Germany. Okay guys, that's it. Let's just click apply here, apply and finish. We can write so many, let's say, rows here, but I think 6 is the way I want to go. Or I want to finish, or not finish, I want to pause this video here. I want to add new members because I think 6 isn't good for us, because in this lecture we will use all the things that we learn until coming here. Okay, let me or let me just use like this. Okay guys, I will stop this video here. I will write new name, actually new members, and I will play video again. Okay guys, that's it. I wrote all the names that I want to write here, and let me show you this let me explain this table to you. First of all, I wrote my ID, name, birth date, age, department, and country. For writing this birth date, I will just explain this to you because department is varchar, country is varchar, and age is integer. Name also varchar, ID is integer. We've seen this before, but we've never seen this birth date because let me come here. Let me just create new SQL. I will say describe and company. If I click run here, sorry guys, if I click run here, you can see as a type, birth date is date time. And date time equal to this date and time. Date is the year in the SQL and time is the hours, like this. For example, hour, hype, and minute, hyphen, and second. Okay, like this. And when I set date time like this, date time, that means let's come to this company. You can see here I just wrote my year, but my SQL by automatically add here hours, and it's totally up to you guys totally, because if you want to write hours you can use date time. If you want to just get this a year, you can just use date. Okay, let me show you. Let's come to this company table. I want to change this date time. Okay, let's just come here. I will change this to date. Okay, after writing here date, let's click apply, and that's it. So guys, I will come here and let's select this again. You can see all the hours is gone. I just saw here just my years. Or if you want to change this date time to the date time, you can apply this, apply and finish. You can come here, you can run this again, you will see the hours. But I don't want to see hours, I just want to show you guys, if you want to get hours, you can get the hours. But I don't want to use hours, but I never use hours, I just use this date, I mean year. Let's click apply, apply and finish. Okay, let's run this SQL again, and you can see this is my just age. So guys, I will close this. You can see this is my new table, and this table much more different, much more complex than before, because we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns and 10 rows. We will use and, or, and not operators here. So guys, let's get started. For example, let's assume your boss asked you, get me users or get me employees from the table which is live in the UK, I mean United Kingdom, and department is biology. Let's try to get this. I will say select star and from company. Okay, using this SQL we can get all the users, but our boss told us get me the user which is department equal biology and country is UK. Let me write this task here. I will say get me users, department is biology and country is UK. Okay, let's try to make this done. Try to get this done. Okay guys, I will write select star from company where, okay, where department equal we said biology. I will write biology, but let's write this as a integer, sorry, as a string, because we said for writing string we should write between these quotes, okay, quotation marks. I said where department equal biology, and here we should use this and operator. Let me write these operators here. By the way guys, these lines are the comment lines, and this is not valid code, this is just a comment line. For example, I can write here whatever I want. You can see I see no error, but if you just write here this, you will see error, because let's try to see this. You can see this is not valid at this position, okay, you should remove this. But here they all are the comment lines. We've talked about what is comment line. I will say here and or and not operator. For handling, for getting this done, I should use and operator. I will say where department equal biology and, you can see after writing and, this is a emphasized as a blue color, you can see here, okay. I said department equal biology and country equal, and again here quotes, I will say UK. Okay, let me run this SQL. Let me show you if I can see this or not. Let's just run. You can see I just got Jack because department of Jack's department is biology. Jack's country is UK. That is why I saw this and country, because we said this. Let me come here. Let me just create new SQL. I will say select star from company. I will run this SQL. You can see there is no another person that country equal UK and department is biology. Let's try to see. You can see we have here one more UK, I think. Okay, here one more UK, and that is Peter. But department of Peter is engineering, not biology. And we said here, let's close this. We said here biology, department is biology and country is UK. Okay, let's try to do the same thing with another task. I will say, sorry guys, I will say get me users. Let's come here, let's try to see. For example, I will say get me users that age less than 60, age less than 60, and country is, let's say, for example, we have USA and we have this, and country is USA. I will say get me users, okay, department, not department, age less than, let's say 60, less than 60, and country is USA. Let's try to get this done. I will come here, I will remove this. Okay, I will say select star from company where, let's see what it is, users age less than 60. I will say age less than 60, okay, and operator, and I will write country in USA. Country, here is this, country equal, and quotation marks, I will write USA. Okay guys, let's run this SQL. You can see I have two. Age, all the ages here less than 60, and all the country are USA. This is my AND operator. Let me write this AND operator using one more thing. I will say, let's say, let's remove this. Let's go back to our table. Let's see what we can do. For example, we can say get me users where department is engineering, okay, and department is engineering, or let's write department is marketing and age, for example, here we have marketing, here we have marketing. I will say age bigger than 60. Let's write this here also. I will say get me users age bigger than 60 and department is marketing. Okay, let's write this. Select star from company where, and let's write this, age greater than 60, age greater than 60, and department is marketing. Department equal quotation marks, and I will say marketing. Okay guys, let's run this SQL. You can see tier and SAM. Birth date is this, age bigger than 60 and bigger than here also 60, and department is marketing, and the country is Germany or Turkey. Or we can write here one more AND operator. I will say AND country equal and my quotation marks, and I will say, for example, country equal Germany. Okay, I said here, let me write also this. I will come back here. I will say get me users age greater than 60 and department is marketing and country is Germany. Okay, I get this done because I said, where was it? I said select star from company where age bigger than or greater than 60 and department equal marketing and country equal Germany. If you run this SQL, we should just get this tier. Let me show you. I will click here and you can see tier is here. Because tier is bigger than 60, department is marketing and the country is Germany. Okay guys, this lesson I think become too long. Let's finish this lesson here. In the next lecture I'm gonna talk to you about this OR and NOT operators.